Had some nasty chemtrails today over Bryan and College Station, Texas, Brazos County. Currently I am at Texas A&M University at the Carter Waterfalls. A couple people fishing there on that bridge over there. We got some ponds and waterfalls. This is Kyle Field, their football stadium. Looks like they're working on a new stage over here, amphitheater. This is all new, this whole area here. They've been Aggie Park been working on for, I don't know, probably 1 or 2 years, 3 years, who knows. But nasty chemtrails, weather modification, geoengineering right there. But nice campus, nice waterfall, nice park areas. There's a cadet right here.